We're rolling.
Okay.
Eva, tell Daddy what the doctor says. No more
He's jumping on the bed. Eva, want an artichoke?
No.
No? No? Here you go. Yummy. Clap, clap. Again. Yummy.
Eva, doggy.
Oldie.
Yummy.
How old are you? How old are you?
She's throwing it. How old are you, Eva? Hmm?